Hi everyone, in front of me I've got the DOOGEE T40 Pro, and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find security and privacy. Then let's scroll all the way down to find more security and privacy. Scroll down again and find encryption and credentials. Then let's tap on clear credentials and confirm it by tapping on OK. Enter your screen lock if you've got one to confirm the whole step. Hello. And as you can see, not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which means that we just successfully removed all saved certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.